I have to ask, you're an English teacher in Saudi, so I'm guessing your English is really good. So why are you on Cambly also?
I just want to sharpen my language skills.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason I'm here. And when you communicate with others, you come to know, and especially with natives, you
Yeah.
come to know what your mistakes are.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a lot of room for improvement.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. And was it an easy decision for you to move to Saudi and leave everything behind in Pakistan? Do you think this was a good decision? Do you think life is better in Saudi Arabia as compared to being a teacher in Pakistan?
Uh, as far as life is concerned, it is much better than Pakistan.
Okay.
Yes, it is much safer, much cleaner.
Mm.
So, and the most important thing is that the salary is good.
Yeah. And ever since you moved to Saudi Arabia and you've been living there for about 1 year now, do you think there's a big difference in the culture from Saudi Arabia, like Saudis and people in Pakistan? Do you think the culture is very different?
In my perspective, there is not a lot of culture difference.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the main thing is that this is also a Muslim country.
Yes. Mm.
So I don't think that there is a lot of difference.
Mm-hmm.
And most importantly, when I enter in the masjid or mosque,
Mm-hmm.
so I feel like that I am still in Pakistan.
Okay, that's
So
good.
everything is the same. And there are some areas where Pakistani community live.
Mm-hmm.
So when you go there,
Mm-hmm.
you just feel like that you are in Pakistan.
That's great. Yeah. And what about the language? Do you also speak Arabic?
No, I don't speak Arabic, but Arabic is a bit similar with our Urdu language.
Okay. And when do you think you'll be able to go home to Pakistan? Have you heard any communication about when flights will be available for you to travel back home to see your family?
Here in Saudi Arabia, things are going back to normal
Mm.
slowly, and even the schools have started. So from Sunday, we have to take online classes.
Okay.
Students can also come to school
Mhm.
once a week. Things are getting better, so I hope that maybe sooner rather than later, flights will also be available.
Mhm. Yeah. And as you mentioned, like living in Saudi Arabia, you tend to feel like you're at home in Pakistan. Do you see yourself living in Saudi Arabia for like a long time, or do you see yourself moving very soon to another country?
Actually, it depends on the employer,
Mm-hmm.
but if you ask me, I always want to live over there because there is a religious aspect as well.
Yeah.
Since we have Makkah over here, Medina over here,
Mhm.
so it is very easy being here to go and perform Umrah or Hajj
Mhm.
or visit Medina.
Mhm.
So I love to live over here
Mhm.
for a long time.
Mhm. Since you're an English teacher, would you ever want to live in like an English country?
There was a time I wanted to go over there,
Mm-hmm.
but now I don't prefer to go.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, I want to do any English language related course from these countries.
Mm-hmm.
So before coronavirus, I had some plannings that maybe I would go for CELTA
Mm-hmm.
to America or England like this.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe inshallah in future I will plan.
That's good, yeah. And now that you're teaching English in Saudi Arabia, do you have any plans to study further and maybe be able to teach English at a university level? Do you have any plans to maybe study further in a different subject, maybe?
Not in a different
Mm-hmm.
subject. If I do something, I would like to do related to English, and that is the reason, as I mentioned earlier, that I would go for the CELTA.
Mm,
These are my
yeah.
plans.
Do you see yourself teaching at a university to university students?
As a matter of fact, in Pakistan, I was teaching in a university.
Wow.
So, yes, so I left that job because of the salary. The salary package was very
Yeah.
low.